Here are 5 quick tips to reduce the risk of HIPAA violations at your front office. Managing dental front offices are tough. Front office staff is tasked with scheduling, billing, filing documentation, and much more. With all these comes the responsibility of keeping patient privacy secure, meaning complying with HIPAA rules and regulations is very important. Talking to HIPAA experts with years of experience, we found out that front office is at the highest risk of HIPAA violations. So, what do we do about it? How can we reduce the risk of HIPAA violations at the front office? Well, here are 5 quick tips. Start with the easy ones to take care of. Number 1, none of the front office computer screens should be visible to visitors. If they are visible, put screen protectors on them. Number 2, all of the front office computers, iPhones, or any electronic items that have PHI information should be on auto lock. Also, if there is no activity on your computer for 2 minutes, auto lock the computer. Number 3, this is a big one. Patient check-in sheets are a disaster. You cannot have patients put their first name, last name, and reason for today's visit sitting out at the front office. It's a complete violation of patient privacy. Rather, there are other options where patients can check in on an iPad, and this is where our MConsent iPad software comes in. Number 4, no post-it notes at the front desk with PHI information. Usually the front office staff writes the patient's name and the reason for the call on a post-it note and then leaves it on the front desk. It's dangerous. This can result in the violation of a patient privacy if the post-it note gets lost or is left at a front desk where others can view it. Number 5, unauthorized release of information. So let's say Susan calls in to find out if her sister came to your dental practice this morning. Can you answer this question? No. Other dental office call-ins or requests to transfer the x-rays of a patient, you cannot transfer without patient authorization. Absolutely not without approval from the patient. Check out with MConsent for available consent forms that patients can fill out online or on an iPad. Secure your paper forms. It's the biggest source of HIPAA violations. If your new patient sign-in forms or medical history forms are not shredded on time, it's a disaster waiting to happen. Protection is compromised when these forms travel throughout your office. MConsent software can help you completely eliminate paper forms at your front office and help you reduce the risk of HIPAA violations. To find out more about MConsent, visit www.srswebsolutions.com/mconsent.